Welcome to English Language Fluency. Names of common hobbies in English. Listen and learn.
Hi there! Today, let's learn the names of the common hobbies in English. But first, let me ask you, what is a hobby? A hobby is something you do because you like it and it makes you happy. It helps you relax and have fun when you're not busy with other things. It is not your job, but a fun activity you choose to do during your free time. Hobbies are like your special activities that you do just because you enjoy them. Here are some examples of hobbies that you might enjoy doing in your free time. Photography. Photography is taking pictures with a camera. You can capture moments, places, and people to remember them later. Collecting. Collecting is gathering things you like, such as stamps, coins, or toys. You can organize and display them to show your collection. Drawing. Drawing is when you use pencils, pens, or other tools to make pictures on paper. You can draw anything you like, from people and animals to landscapes and imaginary things. It's a way to express yourself and create art that shows what is in your imagination. Cooking. Cooking is when you make delicious food by following recipes. You mix ingredients together, like vegetables, meat, and spices, and then you use heat to cook them. Dancing. Dancing is moving your body to the rhythm of music. You can dance alone or with others and have a lot of fun expressing yourself. Cycling. Cycling is riding a bicycle. It's a great way to exercise and explore your neighborhood or go on longer trips. Hiking. Hiking is when you walk in nature, like forests or mountains. You explore the outdoors and enjoy the fresh air and beautiful views. Fishing. Fishing is a hobby where you go to a lake or river, put a hook in the water, and wait for fish to bite. It's relaxing to spend time near the water and maybe catch a fish to eat. Playing a musical instrument. Playing a musical instrument is making music with things like guitars, pianos, or drums. You press buttons, strings, or keys to create beautiful sounds and songs. Knitting. Knitting is when you use special needles to make things from yarn, like scarves, sweaters, and hats. You make loops with the yarn and needles to create fabric and designs. It's a fun and creative way to make cozy stuff. Crafting. Crafting is making things by using your hands and creativity. You can create decorations, jewelry, art, and more using materials like paper, fabric, beads, and glue. It's a way to have fun and make unique items you can keep or share with others. Reading. Reading is when you look at words in books, magazines, or on the internet, and you understand the story or information. It's a way to learn new things and go on adventures without leaving your home. There are so many activities that you can do for fun and enjoyment. So why not try different ones to find out what you like the most? Remember, just have fun doing what you love to do. Thanks for watching.
Did you understand what you read? Take the vocabulary quiz now. Name this hobby. Number 1. You go to a lake or river, put a hook in the water, and wait for fish to bite. A. Knitting. B. Fishing. C. Collecting. D. Photography. The correct answer is B. Fishing. Number 2. You use special needles to make loops from yarn and make scarves, sweaters, and hats. A. Crafting. B. Cycling. C. Knitting. D. Hiking. The correct answer is C. Knitting. Number 3. You ride a bicycle to explore the neighborhood or go on long trips. A. Hiking. B. Collecting. C. Photography. D. Cycling. The correct answer is D. Cycling. Number 4. You take pictures to capture moments, places, and people with a camera. A. Collecting. B. Dancing. C. Photography. D. Hiking. The correct answer is C. Photography. Number 5. You use pencils, pens, or other tools to make pictures on paper. A. Crafting. B. Drawing. C. Collecting. D. Knitting. The correct answer is B. Drawing. Number 6. You gather things you like, such as stamps, coins, or toys. A. Collecting. B. Crafting. C. Fishing. D. Photography. The correct answer is A. Collecting. Number 7. You move your body, alone or with others, to the rhythm of music. A. Playing a musical instrument. B. Cycling. C. Hiking. D. Dancing. The correct answer is D. Dancing. Number 8. You walk in nature, like forests or mountains, and enjoy the fresh air and beautiful views. A. Photography. B. Fishing. C. Hiking. D. Collecting. The correct answer is C. Hiking. Number 9. You make things by using your hands and creativity to make decorations using paper, fabric, beads, and glue. A. collecting. B. Crafting. C. Drawing. D. Knitting. The correct answer is B. Crafting. Number 10. You press buttons, strings, or keys to create beautiful sounds and songs. A. Dancing. B. Cycling. C. Crafting. D. Playing a musical instrument. The correct answer is D. Playing a musical instrument. Congratulations! You were awesome! For more English language fluency lessons and practice tests, please hit the subscribe button and notification bell now, so you won't miss my latest videos.